And we're here for day 8 of the Dev Ready podcast Christmas Guide to AI with Gareth. Gareth, what's the number one mistake businesses will make with AI in 2026 that you think?
Hi, Anthony. Number one mistake, not investing in training their team. That's the number one mistake that businesses are going to continue to make, that they were making in 2025. They'll probably jump into bringing in tools or building their own tools without investing in any training with their team. What this means, I often say this, is you'll have a bunch of toddlers running around the business with circular saws.
It's a great statement, that one, and probably Nano Banana can make an interesting image for us on that one. I think one of the ways, the biggest mistake someone can make in AI is if you tried ChatGPT 2-3 years ago and you've stayed away from it, that's the mistake that a lot of businesses try it once, don't get the result they expect, and then they think it's not for them. The only way you're going to learn what these tools are capable of and how they're going to work for you is to use them. So don't think that they're not good or I've tried it once and it didn't work. These things are changing every day. You really can't judge what I did last week to what I did today. It's literally that much of a time frame where things can change.